All right, PDR beginners, I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of physical fitness, your health. I'm not going to get on here and tell you any kind of workout program to follow, any kind of diet to follow. That's your privacy, none of my business. But I do want to encourage you guys to start becoming a little more aware of your health, your physical fitness, and your ability to perform proper PDR. There are some instances when we're working on panels and we almost look just like a yoga master or a contortionist, acrobatic team straddling all over the place and up and down panels. And in that process, there is the risk of injury, but more importantly, if you are able to get chin on the panel and look at just the right angle, you can see dents for what they really are. And if your physical fitness, your health is not on par, you are not going to be able to perform the job like I know you want to deep down inside. Everybody here in this group wants to be great, and it's going to take a certain level of health and physical ability to be able to perform some very difficult repairs. And so I don't hear it talked about as much here in the community, but your physical health, your fitness needs to be a priority if you're going to have a long-lasting career. So no matter where you're at right now, I just challenge you that tomorrow, take things even just a step further. So right now, you may not even work out, you may not even walk or anything. Tomorrow, walk down to the end of your block and walk back. Now you've put a win in the win column. You've done something more than you usually do. Go the next day, do the same thing. The next day, draw a line in the sand and see if you can even walk past that and just continuously level up in your fitness. And I promise you, you will see that reflect in your work, in your day-to-day. You'll be feeling way better and getting into those crazy positions to see damage for what it is. You'll level up, you will separate yourself from the pack. Now work hard, go be great.